This is the Xiang Food Festival during the Labor holiday. You can see there are various kind of food. You got the Inner Mongolia mutton, sheep, and mutton, roasted mutton, and also kind of ice cream and kind of all kind of things, Chinese food and kind of different areas of food. Different. Here is the Mongolia mutton, roasted mutton, and very great. Here is the cuttlefish, and I got this oyster as well, the roasted oyster, and mutton stick, and also some kind of drinks, and durian pancake, and very great with lemon tea, coffee. I think it's very good for the Macau cars to love. And here is Macau for the vegetable things, and coffee. This is not the real authentic salmon, but it's just the vegetable. Here is the xiang MRT mount. I went because during the holiday I got one holiday, but for Chinese people got 5 or 6 holiday to Wednesday. So in Macau, just few days for you to enjoy and relax here, because I drove my car, BMW Macau's plate to here directly. It was full for Saturday and Sunday for 2,000 each. Quota also full. And I walk and the right side. Here is the Xiang Food Festival. During this 5/1, the 1st of May, a Labor holiday. You can see for the labor to relax, to rest, not working. Okay, so here is the Sanxiang Food Festival. Not only have food, but also car show, auto show, and book store, and those craftsmanship, and selling those handcrafts things. So this is 2023, those kind of festival. And here's Zhongsan got a lot of things that I've said. There are books for you to buy, for the children to read, and that's good for holiday. And this plaza is very big for handling this show. You can see there are not only food, but also convention centers. Like there are booths for you to buy this or sell this or that. You can have some kind of car stuff, like the charger and the charge cable, lighter, battery charger, etc. And those kind of shoes, clothes, and food, and also car auto show with the GAIC. This is the electric car, and with the motor, you can see Vespa also there, and Chinese made Carhartt also. Chinese brand as well. Here is the Dongfeng, and also MG as well. And also there are souls, people dancing. Let's enjoy it. That's very great, right? With the music, because YouTube may have some copyright issue, so I off the music. Music is not available, right? Because restriction or copyright strike, I really hate it. But Bilibili, Chinese platform, won't care about it, so I off the music. Even the drum that guy is playing is so smart. I cannot open the music for you to listen because there is copyright strike.